just here for a bit of practice. It's like any sport, you got to put in the work, and you know it's a long winter, it's a long off season where you spend a lot of time not in the race car. So you know it's difficult to be out in the actual touring car week on week. So you know karting is a great way of just keeping up that driving practice and the muscle memory, and you know I'm using the same muscles that I would use in the touring car and going through the same thought process. So just trying to be as prepared as I can before the season starts.